My friend, how are you?
I'm so good, thank you so much. About you, how are you doing?
Yeah, everything is okay. I'm very good and feeling very awesome to get you here once again.
I'm so happy to hear that.
Oh, you look pretty today. Better than the other.
Thank you so much, I really appreciate that.
Yeah, my pleasure.
I did appreciate that beautiful compliment. How is going everything? How you did that?
Yeah, everything is doing good, but I'm feeling so much miserable because I lost my old Vigo account where so many friends from different communities were available.
I'm so sad about hear that. Why did you lose it, your Vigo account?
It because I was really showing my garden, what kind of plants I really planted in my garden to an American. On that moment, a little boy was going by the roadside and I showed the little boy who was maybe under 10. It was lasted for 2 minutes, and when I really dropped the live and once again I tried to go into my account and the Bigo said you are underage.
So I want to say you get it banned for nothing for the Bigo.
Yeah, I think I got really banned for live, though I sent application. This is me who is the right owner of this account. I'm not underage. I am 30. I showed my ID card and I sent them a application. I don't get feedback yet, so I'm waiting for their feedback.
We help you. Don't suggest yourself. Just when you provide up to some IDs or something's phone number, they're gonna be help you so well and they're gonna be understand that. But if you can't find, just find someone else who's have an agency bigger. For example, the Sweep 8 accounts or maybe Sweep 4. They're gonna help you so well. I promise you.
Yeah, okay, pretty good that you have given me a good suggestion, but I wasn't really a host because I really learn English in order to this occasion. I use this application.
I know what you mean. Just you need to speak with the who's ever account Sweep 8. They're gonna be help you so well because only they can open your bands what they give it to you. So it's gonna be so alright. But if you don't have someone else's who don't have an account to Sweep 8 or Sweep 4, they can't help you. Honestly, I say to you, it doesn't matter if you send to the Bigo the email address and if you explain your situation, they don't gonna help you. You need to find someone else's Sweep 8 or Sweep 4 account and they're gonna open your band directly because you don't did it nothing wrong. So it's gonna be so easy for them.
Ah, okay, so I should find a agency, isn't it?
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah.
You should be find the agency and you should be speak with them and they're gonna be help you so well. Don't worry about that. Just you should be fine.
Yeah.
And they're doing everything for you.
Yeah, look, I have been really keep searching and searching day after day to find a native English speaker. I really can't find anybody because this is the new account. Network should be engaged into this kind of area, and by the way I can get them, but it will take time. But I'm very hopeful and very optimistic to get my old account.
I know what you mean. Just you should be paid. Just be a little bit patient and find someone else's who's have a big account like a Sweep 8 or Sweep 4 minimum, Sweep 4.
Yep.
And they're gonna be help you so well. Don't stress yourself. I will be happy here when I have the time, cause I'm the host and I do sometimes the live to speak with my gifters or sometimes I do the PK. So that's why I can't take you in the PK. But believe me, just find someone else's who's better with about the Sweep.
Yeah.
Sweep 4 minimum. They're gonna help you so well and I will be here to teach you English the best way. But don't worry about the English because you know better than me the words and you're gonna do that. Don't worry.
Oh my.
You have that. You have this powerful energy. I believe you so much.
It's really a good gratification.
Never. This is not a compliment. Is that just the truth? Because I see it how you work. to learn the English. You're working so well. You're writing every single thing to can learn the better way. So don't worry. You're gonna do that. You get this job. That's it. It's that simple way. Okay, so don't stress yourself. Right now, I should have to go. Just take care and don't stress yourself. You get that? Okay. Just find sweep 4 or sweep 8 so you can open your bank account. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So thank you so much for being here. I won't give up my hope. I want to be succeed anyway.
You're most welcome. Take care. And me, I'm so happy to meet with you right now. Take care.
Thank you. Cheers for now. Bye.